welcome again to our class on Excel again. So on today's class we'll be trying out one out of the plenty tricks in Excel, and on today's class we'll be filling series in a simple way. So what I mean here, let's assume we have a number 1 up to 100,000 to fill, and we will not want to go through the stress of entering 1 and then 2 up to the last number, which is about 100,000 or so. So today I'll be teaching you two different ways of getting this done just within a few seconds. So you sit tight while we do this. So here I have 1 and I have 2. So if I want to fill a number, so I can easily come here and drag it down to any point I want, and here I have 2 2 2 2 2. So in this auto fill series option here, I click on it and I click fill series, and it enters the number for me down to, okay, here let's know how many numbers we have. We have more than 200. That's we have exactly 237 here. So but in an easier way, okay, let's say we want to do it up to 1000. We don't know how many cells that we'll have to highlight for us to get up to 1000. You get? So this is where we use this option, the second option. Remember I said I'm going to teach you guys two ways to get this done in few seconds. So let's go again. So here I have 1. What I'm going to do here is, I have 1 here already. It's highlighted. So I go to the home button and I find the fill option here. I click on the point down arrow and I click on series, and here I have the rows and the columns. If I leave it as rows, it's going to number it row 1 like the headers 2 3, but I want it to be columns down just like I did initially. So I'm going to highlight on the columns, and then I have my step value is 1. So I want a number up to, let's say I want to number up to 8000. I have 1000 data I want to number, so I'll leave it, let my stop value be 1000. If I want to start from 10, I can edit this to 10, but since we're starting with 1, so I'll leave it with 1. So I want my data numbers to be 1 to 8000. So my step value is 1, my stop value is 1000. And remember, I click on columns and I'm leaving it the type on linear, so I click on OK. Yeah guys, this is what we have. So let's see if we're able to get 1000 numbers like we plan to do. So this is it. So let's make it faster. And yes, this is it. So we have up to 1000. So this is an easier way to do it, and I hope this was helpful. I would like to know your comments, if you were able to try it out, if you encountered any issues while doing that. Please drop your comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, so you get more educative videos.